What's up? How we doing? It's me, your teacher, back again for another lesson. So lesson 27 is just like lesson 26. So let's get it going. All right. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna do this first one. 5 and 6/10 divided by 16. Decimal point goes straight up. That goes in 0 times. 16 goes into 56 3 times. So that's 48. Now I don't want a remainder, so don't be like it's 3/10 remainder blah. No, don't do that. Here's a little bit of advice in life. So I'm gonna put at least 1 0 here. That's 48, and there's 8 left over. 16 goes into 80 5 times. So I do 35 hundredths. Get rid of that decimal point there. Oh, geez, that was big. Hold on 1 second. Ooh, the bar. 35 hundredths times 16. That's a 3. That's 18. That's 21. 0, 5, and 3. That's 56. 560 hundredths, which is equal to 5.6. So we got a winner chicken dinner. Okay, let's just do one more. 24 divided by 48. I'm going to put a decimal point and a couple of zeros because I know it's not going to go in evenly. 0, 0. 4 goes into 24 about 6 times. Well, 6 times 40 is 240, so that's going to be too big. So let's try 5. That's 0, that's 4. Oh, what do we know? 5/10. Okay? Next one. It says 30.48 kilograms of beef was placed in the 24 packages of equal weight. What is the weight of one package of beef? Divided by 24. Okay? 0, 1. There's a 6 there. 24 goes into 6. Well, it's probably at least twice because 2 is 48. So 48. So 64 minus 48 is 16. So now it's 168 and let's try 7. Because what I do is I think, all right, 4 times what is going to give me an 8 in the ones place. 4 times 2, 4 times 7 is 28. So I'm going to try 7. Because 2 goes into 16 about 7, 8 times. Well, actually 8, but 8's going to be too big. So it's 168 actually. 24, watch this, times 7. So what's the weight of one package? 1.27 kilograms per package. All right, next one. What is the length of a rectangle whose width is 17 inches and an area of 582 point? Okay, so I know that this is 582.25 because that's the area. And you could say the width is 17. So let's call this the width, inches. Well, the formula area is length times width. And if I know the width and I know the area, to find the length, I divide. Obviously, because that's what we're doing in the lesson. So let's do 582.25 divided by 17. Decimal point goes up. That doesn't go in. So that goes in 3 times. Yes. Because 17 times 3 is 51. Yeah. So that's 20. That's 51. That's 7 left over. Because 58 minus 51 is 7. So that's 72. Well, that's 51 is 3 times. I'm thinking 4. It's going to work. So 17, 34. Well, okay, this is 4. 17 times 2. I'm just thinking out ahead. 17 times 2 is 34. If I double 34, I get 68. So that's going to be correct. So then 68 minus that, that's 4 left over. And I know that goes in twice because that's 34. And that gives me 8 left over. And again, 7 times what's going to give me a 5 in the ones place. Because I'm at the end, so I know I'm going to basically have to end this. So 17 times 5 is 35, plus 3 is 8. So that's going to be that. So what's the length? Length is equal to 34.25 inches. That's it, guys. All right, let's see. Nope, that's it. All right, have fun. Peace.